AIDS, caused by retrovirus reverse transcriptase. AIDS stand for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome caused by HIV virus. AIDS is a retrovirus. The AIDS is categorized into 3 substages. 1. Normal flus, cough, stiffening of muscles, sprain. 2. AIDS-related complex disease means the pneumonia, body pain, stiffness, headache and huge fatigue. 3. Full-blown AIDS is characterized by Kaposi sarcoma, dark spots appears on skin, and causes melatonin, fatal skin cancer. Blood poisonous and afterward lethality, death of a certain species. There are various causes of AIDS, but remember, AIDS virus is RNA virus having retrotranscriptase enzyme possesses the ability to transform into DNA. AIDS is only caused by fluid intake, either it from blood transfusion through used syringes or lactation from mother Clostridium, one-time milk ejection from mother's breast, or from urination, reused food of affected fellow etc. It is not transferred through sweating. AIDS is complex and slow. Death taker reacted very slowly and causes death of species. Following are the methods to get rid of AIDS. 1. Reuse of used syringes must be prohibited. 2. Daily examining of body and proper sanitary and dietary condition. 3. Drugs like azamine, azithromycin, ribavirin and sumerian etc. that not kill the virus but lowers its host range, special pathogenicity of virus. Initially, it is treated by a large no of medicines and vaccines and some sort of radiations. Afterward, chemotherapy and radiotherapy is last stage. 1. Reuse of used syringes must be prohibited. 2. Daily examining of body and proper sanitary and dietary condition.